Markets are surging back after a terrifying weekend plunge. Bitcoin has reclaimed 105K, Ethereum is up nearly 7%, and one layer 1 alternative just exploded a massive 34% higher in 24 hours. The ceasefire between Israel and Iran has triggered an impressive recovery, Monash. But is this relief rally the start of a new leg up, or just a temporary bounce? Let's find out on today's Crypto Pulse update. Hey everyone, Alex from Moonward Capital here with your twice daily Crypto Pulse update. If you're new to the channel, we deliver actionable crypto intelligence so you can stay ahead of the crowd. Let's dive right into today's market recovery. The crypto market is breathing a collective sigh of relief as Israel and Iran have agreed to a ceasefire after 12 days of escalating tensions. The agreement, brokered by President Trump, has triggered a powerful recovery across the board. Let's look at how the major assets are performing. Bitcoin has surged back above 105K, up 3.75% after its weekend plunge below 98K. Ethereum showing even stronger recovery at 6.73%. XRP up an impressive 8.11%, Solana gaining 7.59%, and BNB up a respectable 3.06%. But the real star of today's show is Sei Network, which has absolutely exploded 34% higher in the past 24 hours. This massive move isn't just random volatility. Sei is recording $3 million in bridged inflows, and its DeFi ecosystem has nearly doubled to $1.1 billion since January. Weekly DEX volume just hit a record $263 million, making it one of the fastest-growing Layer 1 ecosystems in the space. But what's really driving this surge? Wyoming has selected Sei Network alongside Aptos as a finalist for the state's WYST stablecoin project. This is huge validation from a state that's rapidly becoming a crypto pioneer. Speaking of institutional adoption, financial giant Fiserv just announced plans to launch a dollar-backed stablecoin called FIUSD on the Solana blockchain by year-end. This isn't just another stablecoin. Fiserv has partnerships with Circle, Paxos, and PayPal, targeting integration with over 10,000 financial institutions. This is the kind of institutional mainstream adoption we've been waiting for. Meanwhile, Circle's stock continues its meteoric rise, surging past $260, approaching a $580 million market cap that nearly matches USDC's massive $612 billion circulating supply. Let's look at the derivatives market, which often gives us insight into where things are heading. Bitcoin funding rates have turned positive at 483, a bullish signal. Ethereum funding is neutral at 61. Solana is showing strong bullish sentiment at 658, and the Bitcoin base is showing healthy contango at 068. The weekend panic resulted in over $350 million in short liquidations as the market quickly reversed. This cleared out a lot of leveraged positions, potentially providing a more stable foundation for the next leg up. The Fear and Greed Index sits at 59.42, firmly in greed territory, but not yet at extreme levels. But here's what I'm really wondering. Is this quick market recovery a sign of crypto's growing resilience to geopolitical shocks, or just relief that a wider conflict was avoided? Let's look at how different sectors are performing in this recovery. Data sector up 5.02%, NFT sector showing strong recovery at 7.30%, DeFi gaining 4.10%, while AI tokens are slightly underperforming at just 1.46%. This rotation shows investors may be prioritizing utility and proven use cases over more speculative narratives in this post-crisis environment. So what should you be watching in the next 12-24 hours? The ceasefire implementation. Any violations could quickly reverse today's gains. Ethereum's Fusaka DevNet 2 launch happening later today, a critical test for future scaling. Sei Network's continued momentum. Watch for a potential test of 0.30 resistance. Bitcoin needs to reclaim $106,450 to confirm this recovery has staying power. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more Crypto Pulse updates every 12 hours. Drop a comment below. Do you think this recovery will continue, or are we heading back down? I'd love to hear your thoughts. This has been Alex from Moonward Capital with your Crypto Pulse update. Remember, in markets driven by fear and greed, staying informed is your best edge. I'll see you in 12 hours with our next update. Stay ahead of the crowd.